Hey guys, I'm with Darren from Dunny Buddy, and we like to be the first with things, and I'll get this video out really quickly. But I have the new Paperpod. So we all know the Dunny Buddy, and everyone's loving it and buying it. Tell us about the Paperpod.
Yeah, thanks Trev, thanks for having me on. The Paperpods, basically we haven't reinvented the wheel. We've pretty much replicated what we did with Dunny Buddy. We spent 9 years of R&D before we released Dunny Buddy, so we figure if it ain't broken, don't fix it. So Paperpod's basically a larger version of Dunny Buddy. It houses your paper towel roll. But behind the name Paperpod, it also houses two toilet rolls side by side. So if somebody's taken their Dunny Buddy away and they want to take two backup Dunny rolls, they can put them in the Paperpod, and then when you get to camp, pull out your spare Dunny rolls and put a paper towel in there.
That's pretty cool.
It is.
So this one here is brand new, off tool, picked up this week. Darren will have stock in the next week or so I'll get this video out pretty bloody quick. But this is the new Paperpod, which complements the Dunny Buddy, and we're all looking forward. What's this going to retail for?
$59, mate. So Dunny Buddy's $39, and it's only $20 more for a Paperpod, so under $100, and you got both your towels covered. They're saying the Paperpod is just throw in the towel. So
cool.
The guys head into AutoFix's website. These guys are going to have both Dunny Buddy and Paperpod in stock. Get online, support an Australian-made business.
So Duro 4x4 have put this in stock already, so, well, we've got the order in because he hasn't actually got it yet, but we have got our order in, so give us a buzz, we'll have this in stock. Thanks guys.